Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you one of the best MTU settings for your PlayStation 5 games. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So are you noticing you are getting lag spikes when you're playing like Call of Duty or something? Well, if we go up to settings right here, and then go on down to network, then go to settings under here, and go to the right, and go to setup internet connection. Then select your currently connected internet. Press options on it and go to advanced settings. Now go on down to your MTU settings right here and select this. And then change this from automatic to manual. And for Call of Duty specifically, they recommend that you use an MTU of 1472. Then press R2 and done, and then go to OK. And then you can back out of here and then just do a quick internet test. So let's back out and go up to connection status and then go to test internet connection and just see if this improved your internet speeds and maybe improved your upload speeds as well. But I've noticed when I'm running around corners, I tend to have less lag spikes, or when I go ahead and see the kill cam, it seems a lot more accurate compared to what happened on my screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.